Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. I'm Disha Ahuja, Marketing Manager for Coast Mountain College and आज मैं live हूँ God with Overseas Education के Facebook page पे. And today we will be discussing about Coast Mountain College. In this live session, you can expect details like about Coast Mountain College, where it is located, what kind of programs that we offer, what kind of intakes and admission requirements, and many more updates. I think we shall start by the time everyone can join us. Again, I'm Disha Ahuja, Marketing Manager for Coast Mountain College. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं that Coast Mountain College located कहाँ है. So we are in Canada. Do you know that Canada is the second largest country in the world? It's three times as big as India and five times as big as Mexico. Yes, this huge we are, and the two official languages of Canada are English and French. Now, I would like to tell you that where are we located in Canada? We are in British Columbia province. We are at northwest side of British Columbia. अगर मैं दूरी की बात करूं from Vancouver to Terrace, so distance comes around 1.5 hour via short flight. जो डिस्टेंस मैं आपको बता रही हूँ इट इज वाया एयर, दैट इज 1.5 आवर शॉर्ट फ्लाइट. नाउ CMTN एक पब्लिक इंस्टीट्यूशन है 1975 से. पहले Formerly, we were known as NWCC, that is Northwest Community College. In 2017, the name has been changed to Coast Mountain College. We have 5 campuses, 5 regional campuses, and we offer 3 campuses to international students. And those 3 campuses that are available for international students are Terrace, Prince Rupert, and Smithers. Now, Terrace, Prince Rupert, and Smithers, in ये 3 campuses अवेलेबल हैं इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, एंड इनके बीच में डिस्टेंस आ जाता है अराउंड 1.5 hour, which can be easily completed via drive. And Terrace is our main campus, which is just 5 kilometers away from downtown. So it's easily accessible for the students who are living on campus, also for the students who are living off campus. So ये था सारा कुछ to give you an idea about where we are located. Now I would like to tell you about what programs and intakes that we offer. But prior to that, let me guide you with admission requirements and intakes. Now in CMTN we have 3 intakes, that is January, May and September. Right now we are looking forward for January 2021 intake. 2 of the business programs are already full closed for January intake, but no worries. Those 2 programs are open for May intake. I'll let you know what are the requirements and what those programs are. Now, before jumping directly to the programs for and admission requirements, I would like to tell all of the viewers who are watching us right now. So, if you have any queries, any doubts regarding Coast Mountain College, regarding programs, eligibility, do drop your comments right away in this session so that I can answer all of those questions and queries by the end of this session. Now about admission requirements. We offer undergraduate, postgraduate diplomas and associate degrees for January intake, and for all the programs, let it be undergraduate or postgraduate, academic requirement and English test requirements are same for all of the programs. Academic requirement is 50% overall and 50% in core subjects, whereas IELTS requirement is overall 6 bands, no band less than 5.5. Now we accept 5.5 not just in one module, also in 2 modules. Again, let me remind all of the viewers again, this is IELTS requirement for undergraduate programs also or for postgraduate programs. Our IELTS requirement is same. If student wants to opt through PTE, in PTE the requirement is 58 overall, and in particular module students should have minimum 54. And if you want to opt through Duolingo is also accepted. In Duolingo the requirement is 95. So ये सब हो गया सारा regarding academic requirements and English test requirements. अब कितनी एजुकेशन गैप, कितने ईयर्स की एजुकेशन गैप एक्सेप्ट की जाती है कोस्ट माउंटेन कॉलेज में? सो अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हम 4 to 5 ईयर्स की एजुकेशन गैप एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड फॉर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स हम 7 to 8 years education gaps accept कर सकते हैं. And about backlogs, so 8 backlogs are maximum accepted in Coast Mountain College. Now this was about admission requirements. This was all about academic requirements and English test requirements. Now let me tell you about programs that are offered in January 2021 intake. First, let's start with arts background. So for arts background, we offer two programs. First is general studies, associate of arts degree. Now let me tell you, जो भी associate degrees हम offer कर रहे हैं Coast Mountain College में, let it be associate of arts, associate of science degree, all associate degrees are eligible for university credit programs. Students can start with Coast Mountain College and complete anywhere into university that we have tie up with. अब Coast Mountain College के बहुत सारी universities के साथ tie up है, ना कि just British Columbia में, even outside British Columbia also. Now, some of the universities are UNBC, University of British Columbia, Royal Roads University, and many more. These are just to give you few names that all universities that we have tie up with. So about general studies, associate of arts degree, which would be for 2 years in Coast Mountain College. There is no extra eligibility of mathematics or any additional subjects. It's just all the general requirements that I told you prior to this, that academic should be 50% overall, and in core subjects IELTS should be 6 no less than 5.5 in one or in two module. Now other program that is offered for arts background is criminology diploma. Now criminology diploma is an undergraduate diploma for 2 years. In this also there is no extra eligibility for mathematics or any additional subject. After that, for business background, we offer undergraduate and post degree business administration diploma. अब ये जो दोनों business administration diploma है, these both are closed for Jan intake. These are full, seats are full for Jan intake, but we are open for this program for May 2021 intake. So you can apply for this program for May 2021. And about the requirements, so ये दोनों programs है undergraduate and post degree business administration diploma, दोनों 2 years के हैं, and in this mathematics subject is mandatory. Students should have studied mathematics, if not mathematics, at least statistics or calculus as in subject. They should have studied. Students from BCom background, BBA background have these subjects, that is statistics or calculus. Then they can apply for this program. But let's assume कोई student है जिन्होंने ना mathematics study किया है, ना statistics, ना calculus, but still they want to opt for our undergraduate or post degree business administration diploma. So no worries, we have option for you too, and that option is pre-business program. Now, what is pre-business program? It's just an upgrading program to complete your English requirement and mathematics requirement. So if you haven't studied mathematics and if you still want to opt for our undergraduate or postgraduate business administration diploma, you can opt for pre-business program. And about the duration, so pre-business program duration is addition of 4 months. It would be addition of 1 semester. If you have started with Jan intake, so in Jan you will be completing your pre-business program, and in May your undergraduate or post-degree business administration would be starting. अब मैंने ये तो आपको बता दिया that प्री बिजनेस उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जिन्होंने मैथमेटिक्स स्टडी नहीं किया है. लेट मी ऐड वन मोर पॉइंट. इफ कोई स्टूडेंट है जिनको IELTS में they have scored overall 6 band, no bands less than 5 in one module. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट के 5 बैंड हैं एक मॉड्यूल में एंड ओवरऑल 6 हैं, वो स्टूडेंट भी प्री बिजनेस प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन कर सकता है टू कंप्लीट देयर इंग्लिश रिक्वायरमेंट, विच इज ग्रेट, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने मैथमेटिक्स स्टडी नहीं किए हैं, दे कैन ऑप्ट फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम. एंड अगर कोई स्टूडेंट है जिनके IELTS में स्कोर हैं 6 no less than 5.5, 6 no less than 5 band in one module, that student can also opt for pre-business program. And pre-business program is open for January intake. Now about science background. So for science background, we offer 2 types of Associate of Science degree. The first is general studies, in which medical and non-medical both of the students can opt for this program. And another type of Associate of Science degree is environmental geoscience specialization. अब environmental geoscience specialization इसमें इस Associate of Science degree में biology subject mandatory है. Students should have studied biology if they want to opt for environmental geoscience specialization. Same goes for our another program, that is applied coastal ecology diploma. Applied coastal ecology भी एक undergraduate diploma है for 2 years. इस subject के लिए भी biology subject is mandatory. At last of all the programs, we offer Applied Coastal Ecology Post Degree Diploma. Now, Applied Coastal Ecology Post Degree Diploma 1 year के लिए है, एंड इसमें कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट जा सकता है, कोई ऐसा बैकग्राउंड जा सकता है स्टूडेंट का जिन्होंने अपनी डिग्री में एटलीस्ट एक सब्जेक्ट एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज रिलेटेड स्टडी किया हो. वो सब्जेक्ट बॉटनी, जूलॉजी, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड टू एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज, दे शुड हैव स्टडीड इन देयर डिग्री इफ दे वांट टू ऑप्ट फॉर अप्लाइड कोस्टल इकोलॉजी पोस्ट डिग्री डिप्लोमा. Basically, student from BSc, BSc Medical, BSc Agriculture background, this would be the best relevant option for them. So these are all the programs that are offered for January 2021 intake. Two of the business programs, as I told you, are closed. Undergraduate and post-degree business administration diploma is closed as of now, but is open for May intake. So you can apply. We are open for Jan and May 2021. All you have to do is send all your educational documents to Godrej Overseas Education so that they can provide you guidance. They are our authorized partner so that they can provide you guidance that for which program you can opt for, which program you're eligible for. Now we have talked enough about programs. Now let me tell you about why a student should choose Coast Mountain College. Now first of all, CMTN is a public institution. All the programs that we offer are eligible for post-study work permit. If students 2 years के program के लिए जा रहे हैं, they will be getting work permit for 3 years. If they have opted for 1 year program, they will be getting work permit for 1 year. And our class sizes are not more than 15 to 20 students so that they can get more one-on-one interaction. And most of our classes are 3 days a week, so students के पास enough time है to go for part-time jobs, to look for part-time jobs, to explore and everything. And other than that, on-campus residence is also available. On-campus residence is available in Terrace and Smithers campus. Students can avail on-campus residence in 500 Canadian dollars. Now, if they don't want to stay on campus, if they want to go for apartment sharing or homestay, so we help students in that too, so that they're not going and searching hundreds of houses alone. We are there to help them and guide them in every way. If let it be, if they want to strong their resume, if उन्हें कोई learning assistance चाहिए, if education counseling की need है, we are there to provide all the counseling and help to them. And about part-time jobs, because this is the second important question that I get about students, that part-time jobs available hai ya nahi, what kind of part-time job they can get, what kind of wage rate they will be getting. So let me tell you, part-time jobs are pretty easily available in 3 of the regions, Terrace, Prince Rupert or Smithers. If I talk about Terrace, so Terrace is more of like where we have more of local retail businesses. Even we have few Indians who have their local stores, departmental stores over there. So students easily get jobs as an accountant, as in cashier in these stores or in local business. And if I talk about Prince Rupert, so Prince Rupert is more of surrounded by coastal area. Our programs like Applied Coastal Ecology undergraduate and postgraduate diplomas takes place over there. Students get first-hand experience in all of our programs, and in Prince Rupert we have very busy port for import and export. So students easily gets job. I haven't heard any student complaining me about after completing the program job or part-time job. So, and this is the best part, that in Coast Mountain College you'll be studying in a college where you'll study in a lot of experience. You'll be getting a lot of experience, lot of hands-on work. And while studying, it's like 70% of practical knowledge and 30% of theoretical knowledge. And before to COVID-19, we also used to have field schools, jahan United States maybe field schools conduct hote the, but due to COVID-19, few of the things are going to change. Yet again, we still believe same, that open space, open your minds. So we are still going to give you a lot of experience, lot of hands-on work, which would at last help you for your career. And about tuition fees, as it's in public institution, tuition fee is also minimal. Tuition fee comes around 7,000 Canadian dollar for a semester, 14,000 Canadian dollar for a year approximately, in which students' health insurance is covered for their first term, that is first semester. And if I talk about a cost of living, so cost of living comes around 25,900 Canadian dollars approximately for a year, which includes your 14,000 tuition fees, also your textbook and supplies, your rent, your meals, everything. So at last what I can conclude is ये students के लिए बहुत अच्छी opportunity है to study in a college where you'll be getting more of practical work, more of hands-on work. Classes be 3 days a week है, so students don't have to go daily to classes. They have enough time to explore themselves, to go for part-time jobs. Even they don't have to face for that much competition for part-time jobs. Part-time jobs are easily available. Wage rate भी अच्छा है. And if you need any assistance regarding us, regarding for from us, let it be for education, let it be for apartment sharing or homestay, so we are there to guide you. And cost of living is also low. What I can say is it's in best opportunity for a student to study where you will be having that much of amenities and cost of living is low. So this was all about why a student should choose Coast Mountain College. Now about admission process, as I said prior, all you have to do is send your educational document to God with Overseas Education, so that we can provide you idea for those, so that we can provide you directions that for which program you're eligible for, what are the admission requirements and everything.